Okay, ma'am. So, can you see the screen?
Yeah.
So this is the certificate we have to. This is in PPTX format, ma'am. This PPTX format. Now we just have to convert it to a Google Slide certificate. So we just have to go to the file and save as Google Slides. That will be saved in your drive.
No, that is okay. But my question is, how did you upload in that Google this certificate? How it went to this Google Slides? It's already there in this Google Slide only. I can see on the screen.
Okay, so the thing is, you just have to go here and upload the
Yeah,
certificate.
I tried to upload, but it is not getting uploaded.
Which
You
certificate?
show me once this only, which I've sent it to you. I
Okay,
tried uploading in my Google Drive. So how did you do that? You show
okay.
me just.
So I'll just show you. I'll just show you from the start. So this is the screen you get after Google
Yeah,
Chrome. So you just have to
yeah,
go here and go to the drive,
yeah.
this drive. So once you go here, you just have to go new and file upload, or you can just drag and drop also, but you can do this file upload. Then this is the certificate which has to be edited. So
Mm.
I already have a copy of it. I'll just do that. Open. It will start uploading here.
Okay.
So it is showing me there are two versions of it because I have uploaded it twice.
Okay.
All right. So you just have to go there and it will show open with Google Slides here. You just have to
Okay.
open with Google Slides. But right now this is in PPTX format, that is Microsoft Word format. Sorry, Microsoft
Okay.
PPT, PowerPoint.
PPT format. Yeah, yeah.
So, but Google won't accept this. So what we have to
Hmm.
do is we just have to go here, file, and we just have to convert this here as a Google Slides.
Save as. Yeah.
Save as Google Slides. So it will do the conversion and we'll get a new slide, Google Slide format. So we have, so this is in Google Slide format, this new.
Okay.
So you
Hmm.
just rename it just in case. So I just rename it to 2 or something. So this is the third. Okay. So here, this is to certify that. We'll just edit this. Okay. This is, you can use any fonts which you like, ma'am, and uh, appropriately, whatever you wish.
Okay. Hmm.
Just, and this is to certify that. Okay. So we'll use a tag. So we are using a tag that is double tag FIRSTNAME. So this is the tag which will be taken from the Google form. This
Okay.
is first name space again a tag for last name LASTNAME. So this is for first and last name. You can use any font and any color and any size that
Hmm.
wouldn't alter this one second.
Okay. So you have to close the tag for the last name also,
Yeah,
no?
I understand. Yeah.
Okay.
So
And I also wanted to put the name of the institute. How to do that?
name of the institute. Okay,
Means
so
I like suppose some person is from different institutes, no?
sure, sure. So this is to certify that Mr. Probably Mr. wouldn't do because again they have to put Mr. and all. But first
No, no, Miss. It's okay. First
uh,
name, last name, done.
from we'll just put it here from okay
Hmm.
institute. We'll just put institute, right? Uh,
Hmm.
yeah. So we close this tab. So this is what is the template for us to continue on.
Okay. Hmm.
And you just have to, it will be saved. You just have to go to the drive. Okay, this is not needed. This will be shared in your drive automatically when you are connected to the internet, so that's not a problem. Now we just have to go to the, again, we just have to go to the drive where, one second.
Forms are there.
Yeah, we'll just create a form there. Suppose new and more. Google Forms. So we'll just tell. So here you have to put a note just in case that please use your letters appropriately because it won't be re-editable or something. Like here, you can just put a note. Please continue the following steps and please mention whatever the tags you have mentioned, Noma. Just mention that
Yeah.
please fill those properly, like first name and the last name and institute's name. So you just put
Now
the
my question is like, see, what we want is, we want a people. Actually, we are taking a test through Google Form, and
yeah,
we want that after the completion of that test, the Google Form, the certificate should go to them.
that can also be done. So we just need first name for that, right? So we just need first name, last name. That is all mandatory fields, okay? And institution, and then the test of the Google form will continue,
Mm-hmm.
right? This is the institute. You just have to put a disclaimer here. Put your first name, last name, because this will be used for the certification.
Certificates, yeah.
And if you want to make it uh, uh, accessible to only people who have registered for the exam or something, or only people who can log in, you can do that also. It's just like you just have to go once. Google Sheet. Yeah. So this is all connected to your drive. So you just have to go here, and suppose you just have to add a roll number. Only these roll numbers can attend the test or something. So it would be.
Okay.
1 second, I'll just show you that. So this is the roll number.
So we can do that, no? Like we are having a live webinar. As soon as the webinar is completed,
Yeah,
there only if we post the link of this Google form, then only those people, those who have attended the webinar, can submit it and get the certificate,
yeah.
I guess. No?
If you could just say circulate it 5 minutes prior because people start leaving, so you can
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Huh.
link
Five
there.
minutes before we can do that. Yeah.
Yeah. So suppose this is xyz@gmail.com, and I'll just show you the formula, ma'am. So if you use this, this is very like only people who have registered can get the certificate. It's a log type. It's very easy to do. I'll just put my real email ID just to show you the work. Gmail.com. Okay. So this is what email IDs or registered roll number. You can use anything here, like anything here. Then you just have to come here, equals conc concat. Oh, sorry,
Yeah.
concatenate, right? We just have to
Hmm.
go there and choose this cell, and then comma, and then double inverted. One second, double inverted, and then this, and this. Then we have to close this bracket. Then
Then
again,
what is this? One.
this is just to if you have like 100 participants, that's not one, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Below the backspace, it's like two. It's for or.
Ha ha. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, yeah. I got it. Yeah.
It
Hmm.
is just below the backspace.
So
So
is this something
yeah, this will not.
some formula which is being used it like that?
Yeah, ma'am. I just tell you, it's this
Okay,
simple.
okay.
Then
Is
again,
equal to concentrate. Yeah. This is we get
concatenate.
open bracket
Then we just have to use this cell
B3. Yeah.
and the above cell,
Comma inverted commas. Okay,
and
the
then
above cell.
the above cell, and then 1 second, comma. Then again inverted. Oh, sorry, inverted comma. Then the or symbol, and then we have to close the bracket. And now this formula is ready. So now we just have to drag it.
Drag it. Okay.
Yeah. So all the email IDs would come into the this thing. 1 second, I missed out on something. One second, ma'am, I'll just show you. So you just have to, sorry, you just have to use this cell and copy this, whatever is there. You go back to your Google.
The last cell where everything is being
Yeah,
merged,
yeah,
that you have to copy. Okay.
yeah. So then you just have to use like email ID or roll number or anything like that, like which you want only them to attend, right?
Okay.
It's a short answer required you have to do. And then there is more advanced this thing, response validation. And you have to come here and use regular expression and matches. And you have to paste that whatever you have copied from that cell. So it will come here.
All the email links. Okay. Okay.
So all the email links. So only if it matches to that roll number or the
Your
email,
email ID. Yeah.
only those can attend or fill the form. Then we
Okay.
give
Okay.
an error message that, oops, enter the registered mail ID or something. Let's just enter
Okay.
mail,
Okay.
the message. All right. So we put the message here. And just okay. Then the next field is uh, first name, which we want for the certificate. So this is also required, and that's the short answer. The next thing is the last name, which is also required. Uh, okay, and the institute's name. Institute name, right? That is also required. So after that, after these mandatory fields, what you can do is you can add your test, like here whatever the questions you want to add, you can add that.
But can we keep them also as a compulsory field, required field?
Yeah, you just have to do this required here.
No, that we'll do.
Yeah.
Now, okay. Then after that?
So this you will be doing, and your form is ready. Now you just have to go here on the response section. So there's this spreadsheet waiting for you. You just have to go there. I'll just
That it will create a zip. That I know.
1 second. I'll just
Ah,
put some. So just unmark this show link to submit another response, because sometimes what
okay.
they do, they submit and they go back and submit with a different name to get a certification.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right. So just make sure that you unmark
Uncheck this. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
this thing and just go and save this. And then we have to go to this spreadsheet. Now you have to create this spreadsheet. It will open. Okay. So the mandatory is email ID, first name, institute name, or we have just put institute, right? 1 second, I'll just check.
Institute we have put.
Okay, so we have to change the tag again. Okay. 1 second, I'll just change the tag. And these are all case sensitive, ma'am. If suppose you you use capital N and
Institute. Yeah,
don't use
you
that
wrote
here,
small m, then it won't work. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
it won't
Understood.
automate. Okay. Now you have to come to this section where automation starts. You have to come to add-ons, right? And if you don't have that, it's called AutoCAD. You just press on get add-ons. And here it is AutoCAD. Otherwise, you can search it here. If you don't get it,
Mm-hmm.
you have to search it here.
Yeah.
AutoCAD. You just have to load this and install this.
Okay.
So it will ask which drive will be using. That is the account which you have to use it. You have to give the permissions. This is installed. We just have to close this again. Come to add-ons. You'll get AutoCAD, right? Then we have to open this. New job. Now we'll just create a job name like certificate, right? Then next. Then we have to use the template.
Yeah.
You can either create the template from AutoCAD, which is available in their
Yeah.
directory. Otherwise, you can choose it from your drive. And now the drive's template is only a slide template you can choose. You can't use other PPTX.
PPT. Yeah.
I can't
Yes.
see the PPTX format at all. So
Okay.
I can just choose the slides. So this is the certificate we want to automate, right? So each certificate 3, we'll just put that. And then we'll just go to. So it will fetch the tags which we have mentioned. So this is the first name. We'll just check the tag what we have. So first name, we have that. We'll just use the column of. These are the columns of your Google. Sorry, sheet.
Yes.
Sheet.
Sheet. Yeah.
Yeah. So first name will map to the column first name here. This, right? And this last name will map to the last name there. And institute will map to the institute name section that is behind this. Then we just have to go next. And now the file name will be like certificate, whatever this file name you want to display, certificate, comma, like it is for Rajat. So we'll just put first name, tag again, first name, then space, the last name, whatever they use in the name. So that will go like the file they'll see will be like in PDF format, certificate, respective name. And
Okay.
we have to use this as PDF here.
Hmm.
This slides, we have to use it as PDF, and it is multiple output mode. Then we just have to go next. We have to choose a folder where all the certificates will be saved. So I'll just use my drive itself right now because it's best. And then you don't have to do anything here, nothing here.
No, but where that institute went, institute name will go.
Sorry, ma'am.
Like you have written that certificate first name.
First,
So is it like it will be saved with certificate first name, and that institute also we wanted to put, no?
okay, we can do that also. We just have to go back. Okay, first name, last name, space, like comma. We'll just use institute name.
Okay.
Right. Done. So we'll just use that. It will be like certificate, their respective name, comma, their respective institutes. Then we just have to go next. This is how it will show in their email, ma'am.
Okay.
How the PDF will be shown in the email. I'll just show you.
Okay. Yes.
Then we just have to go to next. Then it's better you create another folder in your drive,
Yeah. Drive. Yeah.
certificate on so and so date, and choose that folder. Delete this folder and choose that folder instead. Okay.
Okay.
And just
Okay.
use by going to this choose folder, and you can choose the respective
Yes.
folder
Yeah.
there. Then we just have to go next. Nothing here. Nothing here. And here, shared document, yes. You have to give yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, save
Yes.
it as PDF. We'll be sharing it as PDF. We have mentioned before. Allow collaborators to reshare. No, we don't want anybody to reshare this. So send from generic reply, no reply address, and we'll just use tags. So this here we are using email ID, which we have gathered. Email, same tags we have to use, case sensitive. and the subject would be like certificate for participation or something. And thanks for participating. Here's your e-certificate.
Mm.
All right, something like that, now. And then we just have to go next. Run on form trigger, yes. You have to give this yes. Whenever the form triggers, it should run.
Okay, it
That's it.
should run. Okay, okay,
And below is the time trigger. We don't want that. We don't have to
okay,
time trigger. Otherwise, it will
okay,
be like specified time. So we just
okay.
save this now. And one second. And run this. Run job. So once you give the run job, all these other things will be created by itself.
And it is automatically linked to that form also.
Yeah, it does link. Yeah, that's what we just did the back end of it. So now we'll just go and try. I'll just try one second.
Preview only, preview only. Go to now you submit this form.
No, I'll just share this one second. Oh, sorry. Send, and we'll just take the link, short the URL.
Shorten and you can share it. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just use that. So okay. So here I'll use my own email ID, name, institute name. Okay.
2 minutes.
All right, ma'am. Now we just have to submit. Okay.
Now it is sure, no? Like we have, if we make other things also mandatory, that won't come in certificate. Only the name, last name, and
Yeah,
institute
only
will
which
come.
we have used as tags.
Which are tags, which we have used tags. Okay.
System. Oh, this thing. One second. I'll just change this. So this is equal to that, and to B3 C2. Okay. I'll send you the proper formula. One second. One second. This is the formula, ma'am. You just have to use this. Once you get, I just explain you the formula once more. In where we put as email ID, I'll just one second. Edit the form. So here we'll be putting that, right? So I'll just show how it works. It's simple as we don't have to use that this thing. Otherwise, you have to put manually. So that's why the form. Hello.
Yeah, Rajat.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, there was some network issue. One
Yeah,
second.
no issues.
Yeah. So the formula, I'll just tell you exactly, ma'am, what it is. But right now, just for the sake of it, I'll just show you this. It's like I've just put this rjrk3195, my Gmail ID, and I'll just use that this thing. And ABC at gmail.com. So we'll just okay. So use this. So the response has been recorded. Okay.
Okay.
If I use some other email ID, it won't be recorded. I'll just show you that also. Suppose I use
No, but what was a mistake? You have already written that same email ID. Then it
Uh,
showed, oops, no. So why it
yeah,
happened?
yeah. I guess there is some small technical error in the formula. I just check on that. I'll just let you know once.
Okay. Hmm.
See, I've used some other mail ID, so it's showing the error.
Hmm.
If I use the same email ID again, only I can
Hmm.
access that. So I'll
And if I don't go with this option, so directly also without using this option also we can share. Like
yeah,
for example, in the online session going on, if I share it, then people will see directly that only. No?
yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll just get the certificate. It takes a minute or two for it.
Yeah, yeah. Hmm.
So we've got one response. Mail
Okay.
ID. And if you've gone wrong anywhere using tags, it wouldn't trigger. So
Okay. So we have to try first. We'll try
yeah,
ourselves.
yeah, that's what, ma'am. So it's like every time you send before sending, with all the registered mail ID, just put 3 of your own email IDs and trigger the
Yeah.
form before sending it to anybody. That's what.
Yes. Yeah. 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 Mhm.
So everything is fine. Looks fine. Might come.
Even with the app that add-on Certify M, then also we have to put these tags only. No.
Sorry, ma'am. What?
There is one more like the Autocrat tag. Autocrat you have used add-on.
Yeah,
There's a similar add-on as Certify EM.
yeah,
So that also works in the same manner.
yeah, yeah.
No.
Same manner. You just have to use the right tags. Like these tags must be used. Like exactly.
The tags,
Yeah,
the same tags will be used there also. No.
yeah, ma'am. Same tags. Like
Okay. 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 It doesn't comes in email. Actually, I tried with Certify EM. I'm able to create the certificate. The problem what I faced was
yeah,
all the answers which I have filled, I didn't use tags. So my mistake was tags only. Rest all it came,
yeah.
and I was not able to upload this template. So now I understood how to upload the template now.
You just have to upload and then you have to convert it here.
You have to then convert it into Google Slides.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
No, I don't know if we have gone wrong somewhere. I'll just check
No,
again.
we have not gone wrong. Actually, morning also same thing happened with me. I got the certificate in my mobile phone because my app is working in mobile also. But in computer, my mail ID is open, but I didn't got that mail in computer
I'll just check.
because actually it would have taken as others.
Okay.
You open your email and email has two options: focused and others. So it is showing only focused mails to you.
But the thing is, ma'am, it is sent from a personal mail ID, no? So I
Yeah,
would have,
even same thing happened with me. I did that because you're using an add-on, no? Even if you said from personal email ID, but it is autocrat is being taken as in others. It is not taken as like because same thing happened. Even we used director's mail ID,
okay.
and when we were sending such kind of links with his mail ID also, it was not going in focused mail. It was going in others only. You open
No,
your
but
Gmail.
one second. The thing is, when we did it from Rashmi ma'am's ID, we got it
Hmm.
on this thing only. I'll just,
See, you have mentioned only important. That is why you're not getting. Do it, no? Go back and go to your entire inbox.
yeah, once.
You have highlighted you want to see only open important messages. Go to
Yeah,
inbox.
no, everything else is here. I would have got it here. But no, ma'am, because yes, I guess day before yesterday or something we did it.
No, I don't know
And
why it's not
this-
coming.
uh,
Morning because I did same thing happened with me. So I thought
here,
because
see,
it is
but
showing all your important mail
yeah, yeah,
IDs.
because
That
we
is
got this is the same certificate we had done this thing, right? We
you
ran it
show me that certificate. This
here,
certificate.
so we got this
Hmm.
certificate, Rajates, like I put a
Hmm.
comma, there was a mistake. So it was just a test. So
Okay, okay.
this
Just
came
show
in
me
the
what came
inbox.
in that form.
Just thanks for participating. Look
Hmm.
forward to see you in the future events like these.
Hmm.
Kudos and
Show me the certificate. I want to see how,
okay,
what all things you have written in the certificate.
one second. So here
Okay, not
I've
written
used the
institute.
first tag, first name tag here, and
Last
space,
name tag.
last name tag. That's all.
Okay, okay, okay.
So
Okay,
it is,
Rajat, thank you so much. I understood it. Can you send
yeah,
me this recorded video also?
sure. I'll just upload it and you
You
can.
send, yeah, yeah. You please upload it, or you can just directly send it to me on WhatsApp. Whatever you wish to do, please
Yeah,
do it. Then I'll do it because I did
sure.
half. I already did these
All
two
right.
three mistakes I did, so I'll rectify them.
All right.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you so much.
if you are stuck anywhere, you just give me a call. I just explain.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so
All
much,
right,
Rajat.
no problem.
Thank
Anytime.
you.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.